In 1963, off the coast of Iceland, a fiery spectacle unfolded. A volcanic eruption beneath the sea birthed a new island, Surtsey, named after a fire giant from Norse mythology. As lava met the icy waters, steam billowed, and land emerged. Scientists seized the opportunity to study the untouched ecosystem, witnessing life colonize barren rock. How does nature decide who arrives first? This new landmass, a mere speck in the ocean, became a living laboratory, offering insights into Earth's formative processes. Surtsey remains a testament to nature's power, a reminder of our planet's ever-changing face.